What's up guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to be making some pompano with some tamarind sauce. Let's get right into it. So for the ingredients, we have 2 pompanos. I'm going to be cooking one of those today. And we have sliced onions, tomatoes, ginger, green onion, some garlic, and fresh chopped chili. Alright, so starting off, we'll put a little bit of oil in the pan. We're going to start sauteing the onions, the ginger, garlic. Ginger. You can smell the aroma. It smells really good. And of course, your pepper. Then of course, your tomatoes. Give that a stir. You can smell this right now. It smells so good. Alright, now a little bit of salt. Just a pinch. Some brown sugar. Just about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. Some fish sauce. A tablespoon of that. Give it a stir. And of course, your tamarind. Now you can use fresh tamarind. I currently don't have any available right now, so I'm going to be using the tamarind powder. This will give it that nice and sour taste. About a tablespoon of that. If you ain't sour enough, you can add more or less. It's up to you, your personal preference. Low down the heat. Give it a stir. So what you want to do now is give it a taste. Nice and sour. Maybe a little bit more sugar. So I'll probably go about total maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, there you go. That's perfect right there. So you got that nice, sweet, sour, salty flavor going on. Give that a stir. Alright, turn off the heat. Set that aside, and now we are going to cook the pompano. Oh yeah, quick reminder. If your water or your sauce is a little thick, I think this is the perfect consistency, but since I'm probably going to be cooking 2 fish instead of 1 for the family, I'm going to add just a little bit of water. That's enough, you don't want too much. Stir that in a little. Alright, set it aside. Make sure that you pat your fish dry. Try to remove as much water as possible because it will pop once you throw it into the pan. So here we go. So we're gonna let that go for a few minutes on one side, and we're gonna flip it. Make sure your heat is on medium-low. Quick look. That side's almost ready, just a little bit longer. Beautiful. Take a look at that. Perfectly cooked. There you have it, folks. Fresh fried tamarind flavored pompano. Please give this recipe a try. It smells so good. It is going to be delicious, and I am sure that everybody is gonna love this.